Hiya, it's Amanda here from Lolli Lulu Crafts. Today I'm here to share with you a crafty haul. It was my birthday today, which is the 12th of June. I don't know when this video will go up, but as part of my birthday present from my family, I got some lovely crafty bits, so I thought I would share. First of all, quite a lot of it is from Stampin' Up. So first of all, we've got this. I've actually taken them out of the packaging and put them in my wallets, but this is the, what do they call that? Luxe White 12 by 12 papers. I'm not sure whether you can catch that on there. Hopefully you can just see how that's got that lovely. Do you know, when I saw it, I was like, why did I order white paper? Because I saw it that side, I was like, that's odd. But it's got this lovely, and I think it'll have a resist to it as well. There's several sheets of the same design. And we've got this one here, which is sort of just like little, but you can just see it's sort of lovely, gorgeous sort of shimmer to it. As I say, it's 12 by 12. It's got 6 sheets in that one. Then we've got this one, which is Valley in Bloom, and this one has 12 sheets in. And this is just beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. And it's double-sided as well, so you get 2 of each, and then that's the opposite side of that one. And then you've got that one. And that's, I don't know if you can see because it's far away, let's bring it up. Look, it's lovely little flowers, which is so sweet. Isn't that beautiful? And the opposite side of that one, again, is these lovely, delicate little pattern. I know I'm going quite quickly, but there's a few things to go through, so I want to make sure the video's not super long for you guys. So then there's this one, and again, I don't know if you can catch that. There we go. Isn't that nice? You can really, I did get the whole collection for the Valley in Bloom. So it's got stamps and all sorts, and dies, and I think that was also, that had the luxe paper in. I'll tell you when I get to it because I can't remember everything. It was a big set. So that's that one again. Very nice. And then this one and that on the back. Isn't that lovely? Of course I love that one. I mean, look, it matches everything. So that's our Valley in Bloom papers. And I'll do all the papers first and then we'll get to the other stuff because that's easier, I think. So this one is the painted patterns. And you can get this in all the ink collections, so you can get subtles, brights, etc., regals, etc., and also usually you can get the in colour collection as well. This one has 20 sheets. So you've got these, as I say, the subtles, so you've got this lovely sort of dotty pattern here, and then on the back you've got a much bigger dotty pattern, and then you've got a stripe and different stripe on the back, so that's in that lilac-y colour. Probably tell me, well, it's all the subtles, so I'll tell you what they are. Balmy Blue, Bubble Bath, Calypso Coral, Fresh Freesia, Highland Heather, Lemon Lolly, Lost Lagoon, Petal Pink, Pool Party, and Sea Foam. Or soft sea foam, I should say. So I don't know what's what, but these will be the same patterns, so I'll just show you the colours. Lovely. Pretty in that. So you get one of each sheet by the look of it, but it's double-sided, so you have to choose. Usually you get 2 of each sheet, so then you can sort of have effectively one of each pattern, but not in this instance, but you get a lot of sheets. So so pretty. I've not ever had one of these collections before. This is a different one to, I think they changed the patterns. I don't know how frequently. This is all Stamping Up at the moment, by the way. So that's that one. And then we've got Beautiful Ordinary Life, which has 12 sheets apparently. So let's put that there. Is it double-sided? Yes. So you've got this gorgeous colour. So you've got 2 of each again. So you've got this black and white to bring you up to be able to see that, I think. And then this gorgeous pattern on the other side. And then again, a black and white image on that side and a coloured image on that one. It's lovely. And then some little dots. So again, you could colour these as well and ink them. Those you don't have to sort of leave them that colour. It's beautiful. And then you've got that little crosses, like honeycomb, and that pattern on that side. And that, isn't that nice? So that's that one. Then we've got Velvet Meadow. This has 12 sheets and it's actually got these little white bits here. These flowers are actual velvety. They're actually textured. And then on the other side you can just catch very subtle on that one. And then this one, very delicate, I don't even know, very delicate sort of grey colour. And again, velvety on here. So that's really pretty. So again, just a very delicate pattern on this side, and then again velvety on this one as well. Gorgeous. And this one's very velvety. Very subtle patterns on one side and then these beautiful velvet patterns on the other. Isn't that beautiful? So that's that, and there's also a stamp and die set that go with that, which I have. So then we've got 2 packs of these shimmering dots. These go with the Lily of the Valley set. So the reason I've got 2 is because one set came with the collection, and I'd ordered a set anyway because I really liked these, and I just thought, again, can you just catch the shimmer? And there's obviously the white at the top and this beautiful colour here, so I really like those, and you only sort of get the 1 sheet, so I thought they were worth getting a couple of. And then I've got the rainbow adhesive back dots, so again just really pretty. So then we've got this Under the Sun mix and match ephemera pack. You get 6 sheets and you get 2 of each design. And then they just pop out. They're like die cuts that pop out. I've just obviously taken them out of the packaging, and I'm keeping them now in these little wallet to keep them nice and clean and safe. And then I've got, this is the last parts, I think, of the Lily of the Valley set. So you had the dots, the white luxe cardstock, and the Lily of the Valley, whatever they called it, paper, 12 by 12. And you also got dies, stamps, and an embossing folder. So looking at the embossing, I won't open it because you really can't see what an embossing folder looks like, but that's what it will do when it embosses. So that'll be really fun. And then you've got the complimentary Lily of the Valley dies and stamps. These are photopolymer stamps. They now come in their own packaging, which is really cool. You don't have to repackage them. I have to say, I think I preferred the boxes. It kind of worked for me in the boxes. I like those better, but you know, it is what it is. So here we've got that, as I say, some nice sentiments on there. and then your Lily of the Valley dies, also packaged. Then we have got the other part to the Velvet Meadow paper, and this is the Flowering Meadow Stampin' Die set. So again, that's your stamps, and there's your dies. Cool. And they're photopolymer as well. Then I got these Words and Wishes photopolymer stamps. Actually, my mum picked this one out. Well, we went through it all together, but she liked this one as well, so she found this one for me. Lots of stamps. And then we've got photopolymer Notes of Spring, photopolymer stamps, I should say. I just thought this was cute, and you've got like you could use that like a watercolour. I just thought this was really sweet. And then this is dies, and I really like the way it's got the shadow drop die there as well, and how you can put it together how you want. And then I've got this little set, which I thought is going to be a really handy set actually. So it's your Balloons Festoon dies and stamp set, and photopolymer again, and then your dies to cut that. I guess I'm assuming one of the dies will cut that one out, and then you've got the extra ones, and you've got the little reflection for the dies there as well, and the little strings. Lastly, from Stampin' Up, I got this what do they call it, embossing paste. So I don't know quite exactly how that will work. I guess it goes through like your stencils and things, but I thought we'd have a go. I'd have a look that up. I thought it looked fun. Then we've got this Sizzix stencil, layering stencil. I just really like that. I think it's done quite strongly there. That's a stamp that they've added to make it look like a card on the front, but I just like that. I thought that would make a really nice background for cards and things as well, so I thought that would be nice. And then I just love this. I love these circles with the flowers around. I think that's going to look so pretty when it's done. So we've got that die there. And oh, I did have one more Stampin' Up thing, I'm sorry. I have this shimmer brush. If you remember when I did my in colour collection video, I had a shimmer brush in the whatever the pink colour was for the in colour collection. Well, this is the blue one, the Hydrangea Hue. I still think it should be blue, Hydrangea Blue, but anyway, and so I got that one. It comes in all of the colours, I think all 5 colours for the in colour collection, but I just really like those two, so we've got that. I haven't tried it yet. And then I got this We Are Memory Keepers corner chomper, and this one has your angle and your photos. So this is photo. Isn't that nice? And then turning over, this is angle. I just love corner chompers. They just are so effective. You know, they really do go through so much stuff. And if you if you pull the waist out, you get actually a little photo corner as well. So that's my corner chomper. And then finally a gift from Jenny, from Jenny's Crafty Corner. I think you saw me make a card with these. She makes these flowers. She has a short up that shows you how to make the flowers. I will link that in at the end. If I haven't, shout at me and I will put it in for you. But these are her flowers that she makes, so she's made me some of these. She knows how much I like them, so that was really lovely. And she made me a beautiful card, but that's not here. I put it up on the shelf, so I didn't bring it over with me, which is rather silly of me, but anyway. So that is it. So I say that is it as if that's not a lot of stuff. So that's my crafty birthday gifts. And as always, I have been spoilt rotten and I've got lots of lovely things. So thank you all for watching. I hope you've enjoyed taking a look at these bits with me, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.